Good morning and welcome to a Purple Chips web update for August 16th, 2012. I'm John Schwinghammer, the author of Purple Chips, published by John Wiley & Sons and available everywhere. I'll start with the disclaimer. The information contained in this presentation is not intended to be a solicitation to buy or sell securities and is not investment advice. What you see is based on the criteria of the Purple Chips model and has not yet been approved by the author's employer. The information contained herein is believed to be accurate but cannot be guaranteed. Investing can be risky and you should be consulting a professional before investing in the stock market. So getting back to CSCO, in our webinar today I'm going to talk about CSCO. The symbol is CSCO. We bought CSCO back, in July at $16.50. This morning we're trading at $18.50. That's because they announced their earnings. The quarterly earnings were 47 cents per share versus the expectation by the market of 46 cents. The dividend was raised to 14 cents from 8 cents, which is a very good thing. As you know, CSCO has about $46 billion of cash on hand. And I think the most important point to note here is that the CEO said that they plan to return about half of the cash from operations back to shareholders, and that'll be through dividends and share buybacks. What that means is that the share buybacks are going to keep the earnings per share very strong, because when you have less shares outstanding, you take that total number of earnings and divide it by a smaller number of shares. It means your earnings per share goes up. And as you know, with Purple Chips, that is one of the key metrics. So how does CSCO look? It looks very good. When we bought the stock, we bought it essentially in this zone right here, okay, around $16.50. This morning we're trading at $18.50, and so that's a good thing. And what I would expect with the CSCO is that I'm going to grab the earnings per share line here, and what I'm expecting is that at some point, probably in the next 18 months, you'll see CSCO, based on the earnings and the continuation of the earnings pattern, that CSCO should be able to get somewhere around $25 to $27, and that's a reasonable valuation. And it's not impossible for CSCO to get much higher than that. It could get up as high as like 33 to 35. So that's what I'm looking for on CSCO, and that's all for today. I'm John Schwinghammer, the author of Purple Chips. Thank you for watching.